Hello, my name is Hoca. Welcome to my math shop. In this video, we will be talking about numbers. Before we actually start the numbers, let's begin with definition of sets. The collection of objects is called a set, and objects in a set are called the members or elements of the set. We show elements or members of a set inside braces. Braces contain members or elements of set. For example, if we want to write number 1, 2, and 3 symbolically, we just write them as this way, comma 3. Now let's begin with natural numbers. The set of natural numbers is written this way, braces 1, 2, 3, and etc. The natural numbers are the numbers that we usually count, 1, 2, 3, 4, and these 3 dots called ellipses, and we use ellipses to show that numbers after comma continues infinitely. Now I'm going to introduce you whole numbers. The whole numbers are actually natural numbers, but it also includes 0. So whole number starts with 0 and continues without ending. We have integers, or it's called as the signed numbers. And the set of integers or signed numbers are from negative infinity till positive infinity. Or you can call them whole numbers, but including sign of negative or positive. Also, for 0, we don't put sign of negative or positive. And this side of integers are called positive integers, and this side of integers are called negative integers. Now let's talk about rational numbers. Before actually introducing you with rational numbers, I will use letters P and Q instead of numbers. And the set of rational numbers are P over Q, where P and Q are integers and q doesn't equal to 0. Therefore, rational numbers are fractions are fractions 1 over 2, 4 over minus 5, or maybe minus 9 over minus 18, or 0 over 6, and minus 20 over 2, but denominator cannot be 0. For example, 1 over 0 or 5 over 0 or 0 over 0, 1000 over 0. These are undefined numbers. Also, for any integer, n can be written as in a fraction way of n over 1. That is because any number divided by 1 will be equal to itself. And for example, let's take number 5. It will be equal to 5 over 1, or maybe it will be equal to 10 over 2, and it will be equal to 20 over 4. It also will be equal to 30 over 6, and etc. Another example can be written as number 2. 2 over 1 will be equal to itself, or 4 over 2 and 6 over 3 and 8 over 4 and etc. This fraction also means as dividend. For example, 2 divided by 1 will be equal to 2, and 4 divided by 2 will be equal to 2. Also, 6 divided by 3 will be equal to 2. Instead of writing as division, you can write them as fractions: 2 over 1, 4 over 2, 6 over 3. After rational numbers, we have irrational numbers. And the set of irrational numbers are non-terminating and non-repeating decimals. For non-terminating decimal, we can take example of 5.37, 38, 30, 33, 33, and it continues all threes. This means that decimal has non-terminating threes, which can be written as 5.3738 and 3. Non-terminating decimal means after decimal it has same continuously repeating number which doesn't end. In this example it's 3. And for non-repeating decimal, we can take example of 22 over 7. 22 over 7 is 22 divided by 7, which has 3 as whole number, and after decimal it has 1, 4, 2, 8, 5, 7, 1, 4, 2, 9, and etc. That will not be repeated continuously. And this number can be written approximately as 3.14, and it's called pi, and the symbol will be written as this way. And the last thing about the numbers is the real numbers. And the set of real numbers are rational numbers and irrational numbers. Or it is simply called the set of any possible numbers.